Hello, my friends, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very interesting and new WhatsApp feature that is available for WhatsApp users from now on, all right? So what is that feature? Okay, so I'm going to show you. Now, let's say that, okay, I have this chat, okay, and I've received, okay, this voice message from this person, right? Let's say that I cannot listen to it, okay, for any reason. For example, let's say that I'm in a meeting or in a public place, okay? So the solution for this situation actually is, okay, we can transcribe it, right? And this is, the new feature, right? To do so, you can tap and hold, right? And then you'll be able to transcribe it, okay? But that option is not yet, okay, with this list of options. How to turn it on or activate it, okay? I'm going to show you. Now go to the settings, okay? Scroll down to the chats, okay? And here in the middle of this page, I have voice message transcripts, okay? Tap on it, turn it on, and choose the language. The good thing is we have a very long list of, like we could say, languages available here. I hope you will find the language that you want to choose, okay? So I'm going to go with English United Kingdom, right? And then it's on. Let's go back to the chat, right? Let's tap and hold, right? And let's see, right? Let's see that I cannot listen to it, right? So let's see, right, how it would transcribe it, right? So tap on transcribe, okay? And it says subscribe for more videos like this one. So do so if it helped, and see you next time.